Well, it's Jeju Casa. Let's see the beautiful house. Hello. Hello.
You can't just on the first floor.
I thought that was Nathan. Oh my goodness, babe. Look, it's a jejuorange right here. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Oh, very nice. Great shower. Wow. Second room.
And then there's 2 bathrooms.
Oh my god, they have a smart vacuum. Oh, these things are low. What the? Whoa. Fixed. Wow. Whoa.
They have a fancy vacuum there.
Yeah, I saw it. Okay, I'm done with the room tour now. Look what I had to do last night in order to get this working. Oh my goodness. The adapters can't stay. I have to charge all my stuff like that. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that's so good. A little playground. It's like a little, it's like a wedding venue over there. The other Airbnb. All the palm trees. Dang, it's so pretty. The plantations over there. Wow. Look at it. Do they just leave these here? It's a little wedding venue. Kind of looks like it directly. Wow. We're on the windy roads on the way to Mount Hallasan. I have very mixed feelings about driving here. Like, it goes from like a speed limit of like 70 kilometers to 30 because you're in like a child protected area, which is like a preschool or something. And like, it's so funny seeing everyone like drive faster than me, because I think like this is a tourist car, so they beep at tourists if you're going over the speed limit, right? But then like everyone just suddenly brakes like when they hit the slow area. It's like so, it's like a little funny. I feel like it's a little dangerous, but the mountainside though is pretty nice. Everyone's going at a simple pace. As you can see, the UI is not beeping at me. See, look at that. It's 40 over there, right? That car's going faster than 40, but then this UI doesn't complain to me. So I feel like it's only during like the red zones that when they tell people to actually slow down. because a lot of cars have been passing me. So when we were on like a multi-road highway, I don't know. Still though, I think driving's pretty easy here. Just as long as you're not in the city and have to deal with like parallel parking and random intersections where they like, it's a free-for-all, you know? It's more chill in the countryside.
Okay, well another person just parked, so maybe we can just follow them.
I mean, this has to be a, because there's a bathroom here.
I know that like GPS wanted us to turn this way
Oh,
when we
really?
were coming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it didn't.
Should we just drive up there?
Did you guys click
Should
on
we
the third one?
Yeah.
Yeah. We
Wait,
did.
wait, do you guys,
Should we try driving?
I mean, people are driving up there.
Yeah, let's.
Here we are. UNESCO World Heritage Site. Dang. Getting a video of all of them taking a picture.
Oh, that was you.
Wow. Okay, that's a decent trail.
How's the hike?
We're so unfit.
Yeah.
I have more luggage than you guys.
We're still unfit.
Yeah.
We'll go up the rock.
Yeah.
Then we'll chill. And then hey chat, welcome to Hero Boy 102 Twitch channel. Here we have Kanto Explorers on the top of a subset of Hallasan mountain. We got this. I talked to the chat, Twitch chat. Yeah. And look at this. They're taking a couple photos right here with a beautiful lighting.
Oh wait, can you guys scoot over?
Yeah, Kanto Explorers hashtag. Follow.
Subscribe, follow, like.
Like, follow, subscribe our YouTube channel. Also Instagram. Beep beep. That's where we parked down there, kind of far down. But we gotta head down. Hopefully we make it, chat. Peace out.
We did it, babe. We did it.
We finished hiking the trail.
Oh, my legs are dead.
Oh really?
Yeah, they asked.
Yeah, they asked us for a picture in English, and then Nathan was like, "Oh, I'll like help you take a picture," but they didn't hear it. Yeah, so yeah, you saw him, right?
Oh.
And they're like, "Oh." And then I got the picture.
Can you see if there's a trash can? I'm gonna see. What do we need to pay? Oh, give me a Pocari Sweat. Heck yeah. Ooh, there's a Gatorade too. Korean Gatorade. Wow. Let's try that as well. It's just water. All right, let's go.
Look at trash.
저희 벨이 따로 없어서 메뉴 보시고 불러주시면 되세요.
Okay, when we're ready, we just call them.
Okay.
There's no English on these, by the way.
All right.
Translate.
Get that lens on here.
You see it, guys? The fish is fresh. Look at this spread.
You got the mussels?
Yeah, I got some mussels.
And we got green.
Yeah!
Oh, there is some.
How do we start?
Put some veggies on the plate and then put the fish with it. Or dip it into the sauces.
Okay.
That's not radish, that's a whole onion.
What are the 3 types of fish we got?
It's flounder. What was the first one? There's a sea bream. Sea bream is the last one. Halibut is the first one.
No, there's no halibut.
Oh, there's no halibut.
Flatfish.
Flatfish.
Wow. Cooked shrimp. Oh, these are big.
Yeah. Recognize it.